Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a budget app. First, download your preferred app and create an account. Next, securely link your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows the app to automatically track transactions. Then, take a moment to customize your income and expense categories to match your spending habits. This initial setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking and will save you time later. Once set up, regularly review and categorize your transactions. Most apps automatically import data, but you'll need to assign categories like groceries or utilities. For cash purchases or accounts not linked, manually enter these details to maintain a complete financial picture. Using tags can further refine your tracking, helping you understand specific spending patterns, like coffee within dining out. Now, let's set your budget. Assign a specific spending limit to each category based on your income and financial goals. For example, you might allocate $500 for groceries. Define clear financial goals, like saving for down payment or paying off debt. Your app will provide visual reports and alerts, showing your progress and helping you stay within your limits, ensuring you reach your objectives. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your budget's performance. Look at where you're over or under budget and adjust categories accordingly. Perhaps you spent more on dining out but less on entertainment. Reallocate those funds. This continuous optimization ensures your budget remains realistic and effective. Identifying areas for savings or increased investment will accelerate your financial journey. Also, for more great tips and deals, check out the description below, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.